This is the next section of problems from 1.1. So they give us a bunch of different graphs. I've chosen one of them. They want us to notify or note the things like domain and range of the function, and they express that these graphs go on forever. They're not relegated to just the values between -5 and 5. So essentially what we believe is, or what we know is, these graphs, go on and so forth. So let's take a look at the first few things. Part A, our domain. Well, what x values can this take? Well, if this is going on forever in either direction, any x value is going to work. This is just a parabola, so there's no issue with that. So domain is all real numbers, or negative infinity to infinity as our interval. Range, well, it's a parabola that's opening downward. It appears to have a maximum height of 3, so it's going to be negative infinity to 3, and we'll use the bracket indicating that it can actually reach 3. I guess these are both part of A, so let me just change that. So A is domain and range. B, they want x-intercepts. So we'll do B. The x-intercepts. They want us to estimate where necessary, maybe 0.1 and 3.9. I don't know. So x-intercepts. So those are the points for our x-intercepts, or thereabouts. Y-intercept, it looks like it goes through -1. So the y-intercept, 0 and -1. And you can see that right here. That's the point of interest that we're looking at for the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. D, the interval with which the function is increasing. So we look at increasing going left to right. The graph is going up, increasing along this part of it. So increasing along the interval negative infinity all the way to 2. X is 2. And I'm going to leave the parentheses there because at 2, it's neither increasing nor decreasing. So we'll figure that out. E, decreasing. It's decreasing. Let's see if I have a different highlighter. I don't know. Probably not. So it's decreasing in this direction. So it's decreasing from 3 to infinity. And it's constant, so it has a constant slope at 3. So that's F. Excuse me, I guess at x equals 2. And I wrote a 3 there as well, but I'll fix that. So this value here should not be 3, it should be 2. Again, our x values, not our y values. Symmetry about the x-axis and or the origin. No. We don't have any symmetry if we can flop around that. Whether it's even, odd, or neither, it appears to be even. We have a quadratic. So this is an even function. And again, for an even function, basically you have to have f of x, or f of negative x will equal f of x. All right. And I think we're good.